Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out for church. I am a little bit behind, but we're about to go. And to grab me a bottle of water. I don't have no fruit this morning. We got some pretzels. Need my phone. Oh, cut the light off. Okay. Trying to go park and I have to walk too far. Shop right there. Snack. Alright, guys. We are on our way to service. Alright. Let's go. But like a newbie going to service. I said it's been a month. And don't talk about my shirt, okay?
I can say you got the shirt more enough to your boy.
Don't you say nothing to eat the chocolate. Good morning.
Nope.
Rise and shine.
We worshiping all night tonight.
We're worshiping all morning. Hey.
Come on, let me hear you.
Let me hear you.
The year that 100 plus people would be homeowners, and to God be the glory. We have over 60 people that now have keys. Come on.
Come on, keys.
All in the parking lot.
They got tamales.
Yes. Corn.
Come on.
Corn with the mayonnaise on it.
Yes.
Check your blood.
And that's the part I be doing to make sure I'm in the house when they start.
Get down ahead and praise for
Running a
that.
little bit behind, but we're on our way.
2 o'clock.
Listen, we have made it. We have made it to church. Well, we made it on the block because, baby, we got to walk. And it's all right. I'm excited for worship today, y'all. And we vlogging what? Let's go. We getting our steps in, right? See y'all in service. Hello. Here's the set that I have. Pink pants. They actually come in purple and gray. And gray.